Hello, Ratlab fans, and here I am at home, obviously, trying this amazing beef steak, medium rare. As you can see over there in the cut, it's kind of hard to see, but I cut it a little bit and you can see the juicy redness inside it. Let's try it. Why can't you see a camera recording? Because it's recording! What are you gonna say? It was delicious. Sorry for that. Oh, yeah. That steak was absolutely scrumptious and delicious and juicy. Oof. Adios, Ratlap fans, and see you next time!